Hi friends, so in the earlier section we have learned about an important aspect in Linux, which is environment variable. Okay, and we have also seen how you can set up environment variable, whether they are user wide or system wide. Also we have seen the common environment variable that is in Linux. So now let's move ahead and let's schedule and see how you can automate your jobs or your script with cron or cron tabs. Okay, now so the basically the don't have Linux command goes on the check the time on the device, and when that particular time arrives, whatever you have defined in there with the format. So we will tell about the cron format in the next slide. So basically it performs that task as it defined. Okay, so now the cron tab is also very powerful, and it is used for scheduling and automation automating a task in Unix like operating system, and it also facilitates the user to run the script or Linux command at specific times and interval. Basically, the cron tabs are used for generating any kind of log so for our system. So whether that particular application should return a log within a particular amount, or it's also important for a backup. Okay, so if you want to set up a backup for to take automatically backup for a particular folder or file within a particular time, so you can set up or define in the cron tab. Now each so basically we haven't mentioned here, but each user can have their own cron tab file. Okay, so where they can define the scheduling commands and that are to be executed. Now the cron tab, what's the cron tab here? So cron tab means cron table. Okay, so that's something in Linux. So we will see in our demo how you can edit that or how you can open that. And yeah, and also you might be wondering what is cron. So cron comes with word chronos, Greek word. So chronos means time. Okay, so you might have learned in your web series also chronos means time. Okay, so let's move ahead. Now the format of cron format is it defined as five spaces or five thing. So the first thing is of your hour of a minute. So basically it ranges from 0 to 59. So you can enter anything in 0 to 59. So what it says, so if you are writing 15, so it will this command will execute in every 15 minute of your day. Okay, now the next one is hour. Next section is your hour. So in here you can put anything between 0 to 23. So and also it's not needed that you need put a number. So basically you can put anything like star then forward slash anything. So we will learn about it also in the next slide. The next one is we have day of a month. So you can put anything between 1 to 31. The fourth position is for months, so you can put anything between 1 to 12. And the next one is our day of the week, so you can put anything from 0 to 7. Okay, and 0 and 7 both are considered for Sunday, so apologizing I haven't mentioned it there. Now after these five thing we have to mention our command to execute in our cron tab. Okay, so the command to execute is nothing special. These are just that those command that you use to run on your terminal, so they are not any special command. Now the syntax of the thing is we have seen here. So first one is minute, then hour, then date of the month, then day of the then your month, and then day of your week. Okay, and then your command followed by date. So basically cron tab only supports star. Okay, it's do not it doesn't support any special character like question mark or braces. Okay, but yeah, it support at the rate and forward slash symbol. So how it supports the at the rate symbol? So if you will type at the rate yearly, so in here if you will type at the rate yearly in except of these five thing, so it will run also. So you just need to type at the rate yearly and then cmd, so it will get run. But what is the equivalent of this? So it is this. Okay, so every so 0 minute, 0 hour, day of the month 1, month of the week 1, and then a star. Okay, similarly for daily, similarly for hourly, and if you will mention reboot, then it will start at So the whatever command you have given here after at the rate reboot, so it will run at a startup. Okay. So as I mentioned, so the basically the cron tab is basically used for creating a log file from an application, or basically used for backup, creating backup also. Okay. So now let's move on our Ubuntu VM and let's get in practice. So I'm hoping you are clear with the cron format. So basically that's a star, star, then a star, then a star, and then a star. Okay. And then your command. Okay. Now let's see how you can define this. So if you will run here star star star, so it will not get run. So for defining particular thing, you have something called cron tab, cron cron table. Okay. Now let's see. So for editing this, I will go to E. I will give option E, and if I will hit enter. Okay. Now it has selected the nano as my base editor. So what I will do, I will exit it by Control plus X. Okay. Now what I will do, I will change my editor. So how you can change the editor? So I will type vi dot select editor. I will open this. So currently the selected editor is bin nano. So what I will do, I will change it to my vim and here, and now I will press escape from exiting from insert mode, then go to line mode, then write and quit and exit it. Okay, now I'm in here. If I will use cron tab option E, so now I will press I for insert mode. Okay, now I will go inside downside of this thing. Okay, now here you can see it's already telling you that hey, this is the thing. So I'm hoping that you are clear with how you can change your editor if you have already set up to a different one. Now here is it's already saying the example. Okay, so it's also saying to create a backup. So now if you want to run all backup of your user account at 5 a.m. every week, how you can do that? So this one was for week, right? Day of the week, and this one was for 5 a.m. So 0 minutes, fifth of hour. So if it was 5 p.m., so I could have given what 15 or 13, I think. Okay, so 0 and 5 and then star star 1. Okay, then whatever your command is. Okay, so these are not a specific command. So let me give any command and let's run this. So what I am saying that hey, so in here if I will type a star, so it will get run in every minute. Okay, then it's for hour, then star, then it's for minute, sorry, for every minute, for every date of the month, then this, and then day of the week. And then what I want to do, I want to use echo hello from scheduled job, and I am going to write it in my desktop. So I'm giving here relative path, oh, absolute path. Okay, so because it can be run from anywhere. Okay, so desktop, and then let's give a name like hello cron dot txt. Okay, so I'm giving here hey, run this program every minute of every hour in every date of the month, every date of the month, and every month, and every day of the week to run this command. So if I will type right now, so what it will do, it will create once there will be a particular minute. Okay, so what I will do, I have done that, I have written this. So what this command will do, this command will create a text hello cron.txt on my desktop, and it will write this stuff hello from scheduled job. Whenever it will be another minute, it will append to this line. I'm not given a single line so that it will overwrite and we will not let know that hey, it's run again. Okay, it's ran again. So what it will do in another minute, so what it will do, it will append this thing to the cron thing. Okay, so now I will exit from insert mode by pressing escape key. Then I will go to my line mode by pressing colon, and then I will write hit and quit it. I have done that. Now it's saying installing new cron tab. So now let me type date. Now 51 seconds. So after 9 seconds, it should create a file here. Okay. Let me see. After 4 minutes, 2 minutes. Now it should create a file here. Okay. I think, okay. So in here it has created. So it took a bit longer. So it has created the file. Now it's 18. Now after 42 minutes, it will create another line to it. So if I will see right now, so it's the hello from schedule job, the first line. Now I will close this one. I will see date. It's 40. Let's wait for some more seconds. Okay, within 2 seconds, and also it is taking time to reflect. So I will wait for some time. Okay. Now let's see whether it has written or not. So you can see it has appended to our next line. Okay. So similarly, if we will wait for another 1 more minute, it will append to that line. Okay. Now it will keep writing it again and again until we do not specify it. Okay. So hope you have understood this. Now let me go to my cron tab and let's edit it. Okay, so I'm in here. I will go through. I will press I for insert mode, and I will in here. Now in here, of course, you can provide different type of options. So if I will give here option like star slash 15, so what it will do, it will run this command in every 15 minutes. Okay, of course you can provide here also 15 or anything like that. Okay, so you can press star forward slash 15 here, and of course you can provide here also. So what's the middle star? So it's for day of the month. So you can, if you want to press star forward slash 3, so it will get run on every third date of the month at every 15 minutes. Okay, so that's the format. Now if you want to, in every 3 days, okay, sorry, in every 3 days. Now what if you want to run one command, this command, on December and January only, and you have to run it only at 11:59, okay, in the night. So how you will do that? So it's very easy. So first I will modify the day of the months first. So I will give option Jan and December, so DEC. Okay, now in the next, so you can give more spaces also, and I want to run it only on Sunday, so I will give option like Sunday. I can also specify 0 or 7. Okay, so you can press 0 slash 7, and also I can provide Sunday SUN. Okay, and here date of the month should be star, and in here I want to run it on every 11 in the night, and in here 11:59. Okay, so when this command will run on every January and December on each Sunday at 11:59 in the night. Okay, hope you understood. Now, so these are very basic stuff for cron. So if you want to learn more advanced about cron tabs, so you can head over on your browser. So I'm on my browser. So if you want to learn about more about cron tabs, so you can visit the website crontabgood.guru. So here you can practice more of options here. Okay, so you can press anything like that and you can edit it. So if I will press here star backslash 5, so what it will do, it will at every fifth minute past 4 hours. So this command will run every 4 hour of fifth minutes. Okay, and let's see what we have practiced there. So we have practiced 59, and in here it was 23. Here it was star, then here it was Jan and December, and here it was Sunday. So what it will do, it will at 23:59 on Sunday in January and December. Okay, and what command we used for for illustrating our echo file. So star 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 star. So it will run at every minute. Okay, hope you understood and you have clear concept of cron tab. Now in the earlier section you might have remembered that we had a file called backup. So if I will run in my bin folder, so if I will open backup, so it had file and it was creating a backup. Okay, so in here of my desktop and downloads folder, of course, so in here what I'm going to say that hey, create a tar czf. I'm not giving verbose options here, and what I will do, I will press option I for insert mode. Then I will tell that hey, go and save this thing to my desktop folder. Okay, by name backup.tar.gz, and also what the content should be the from backup. So it's from desktop and download. Okay, and in here of course we need to then this and Dave underscore null. So what it will do, if it will throw any error, so it will not interrupt our cron tab and it will report to void. Okay, so that's why we are giving this. So that's a data stream number of error, so I'm giving that hey, any error from this just move it to null. Okay, void. And also I am giving the date command, whatever output from date command, append that whenever it will get run, append those output to any file backup.log.txt on my desktop. Okay, so hope we are clear with the bin bash stuff. So I will press escape and then I will hit and save and exit it. Now I will also open my cron tab. I will edit it. I will press I for insert mode, and in here, so it's so we could of course use option called star 5 or star 5, so it will run at every fifth minute. So I don't want to do that because for illustration purpose we need smaller time. So what I will do, I will go in here and what I will do, so this whatever command we are going to write, it will run on every minute. Okay, so if we are clear now, in here what I will write, I will write hey, run the bash script. And where you want to run the bash script, so I want to run it at bin, go to bin location, and what's the name, it's a bash, sorry, it's a backup. All right, now I will press escape, then I will write save and exit it. Now I have saved my cron tab and exited. Now if I will type date, so currently it's this. Now let me wait for some minutes, so for another minute, and let's see if it is appearing or not. Okay, so I will keep pressing date to see it in real time. Date. Now it should be any minute now. I will clear my terminal again. Clear. Date. Here you go. Now we have our backup tar.gz and backup log.txt. So if I will open my backup.log.txt, so it was 12:22:23, and here it was 21. Let's wait for another minute and let's see. So it will write or overwrite the backup.tar.gz. So that's why let me delete it. And also it should write another line and append to it. So let's see. So we'll wait for another 1 minute. Now you have seen that it has written, and if I will look on our backup log.txt, so we have our second entry. Okay, so hope you are clear with cron tab and cron jobs and how you can create a schedule automation and backup. So yeah, that's it for this lecture. Use your cron tab for scheduling and automating more powerful commands and script. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this lecture. In the next lecture we will learn about process and job controls. So till then, take care.